National Babies, and we members of the Committee of Bayan Fiesta 2025 want to sincerely thank all our lovely candidates for their grace and courage, and to their parents and families for the love and support you have shown throughout this journey. To our generous sponsors and donors, thank you for making this event possible. All your support means the world to us. Our thank also for the team headed by Mrs. Arinda Benita Caramel, who have done all the way reaching out to all our candidates, and to everyone who have behind the scenes. Your time and effort made tonight truly memorable. Congratulations again to our new Miss Bayan and to all of our beautiful candidates for being part of this beautiful celebration. Good night, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Una po sa lahat ay nagpapasalamat po ako sa bumubuo ng noon na pinamumunuan po ni Rose, si Madam Rose, Davis, at sa lahat po ng aking mga ka-member kasi tinulungan nila ako. At nagpapasalamat din po ako ng higit sa mga kandidata kasi pumayag sila na maging kandidata ng Miss Bayan. At lalong-lalo na po sa mga magulang at sa mga relatives nila na tumulong at sumuporta para maisagawa at maging maayos ang programa nito. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat at sa mga dumalo, nakisaya ngayong gabi ito. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi po.